This class is my STEM class. It's an intro class for 9th and 10th graders. And in it, those students spend approximately 5 to 6 weeks on a number of different skills. We start with machining, then we do SketchUp.
I took Intro to STEM because working with metal and fabricating and just making things on machines, I thought was pretty interesting.
We get into small engine. They have an actually 8 horsepower gasoline engine they have to disassemble, measure all the parts and pieces, record all that, reassemble, and then the engine has to run, of course. It is one of those pass-fail things where if the engine doesn't run, they have to fix it so that eventually it will run. Then after that, we do some welding. After welding, in the spring, we do construction trades, where the students will build a 6-foot-long picnic table, and then they'll build an Adirondack chair. And then we finish up the year with aviation. And I don't know if you can see the airplane up there, but it's more than just flying airplanes and drones. It's all about the theory of flight and the history of flight. And that's pretty much what the year looks like. The 9th and 10th graders, we're trying to give them skills to find an area of their interest, so that as a junior and senior, we would like them to come back to the Career Center and take an advanced class. Not necessarily mine, but there's a lot of different programs here at the Career Center.
Next year I'm hoping to take auto, I'm hoping, that or diesel.
And students have gone from this program to a different program. And that's really what we're trying to get these students to buy into our programs down here. Also, the skills they learn even as a 9th and 10th grader, those skills will help carry them into the real world. Welding, for example, or machining. They know the basics. They aren't going to be master machinists or master welders or master construction people, but they're going to have those basic skills that should help them get into an apprenticeship job or just a straight up job. But that's even further down the road. Right now, we're trying to get them encouraged to come back to the Career Center and take an advanced class.